Stock investing for beginners. May 1st to May 2nd, in 2 days, I made over 1,300. From May 5th to May 9th, 5 business day, trading days. So I made over 4,200. So not bad, close to 1,000 a day. So from 1st to 9, yeah, 5,668, 7 trading days, 7 business days. So in 1 week, so I made over 5,600. So it's about around 1,000. So if you want to make something like that, comment down below. So today we're gonna talk about what happened last week and what could happen this week. And I'm gonna talk about 6 stocks that's gonna be reported earnings and which stocks could go up. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. So S&P 500, 1 day, 5 days, 0.08%. So it did not move so much at all because the market is overbought right now. So just be a little bit careful. Nasdaq over the past 5 days, yeah, it did not move 0.63%. Friday, it's almost the same. 0.000, actually it's the same, right? The same as Thursday close, and Friday also closed the same too. So that's pretty crazy. 5 days, S&P 500 almost the same. Look at that. So Dow Jones almost the same. 5 days is up 0.18%. So the market is overbought right now, but it depends on the China and US trade talks. What could transpire? If it's getting better, I think the stock market may move a little bit, but I don't think it may be too much because lots of the good news already baked in the stock market. But one thing for sure, if things don't turn out to be good, the stock market could go down again. So stock market is already up 5.53% over the past month. Year to date 3.56%. So it only takes about another 4 days. So never miss 10 best trading days. So I don't think it's gonna go back up, go down for the more. 4,900 most likely is a bottom for the year, for this year. S&P 500 stay up 97.64%. Yeah, even if you start, it doesn't matter, no matter how many crash that we have, you are still better off over the long term. Look at the 5 years. So start right now. The best time to start was yesterday. Now is the second best time. Okay, 1 month 7.2%. Never miss 10 best trading days. If you miss 10 best trading days, you could be missing a lot. Year to date, yeah, 7% down. So we just need about another 8 positive days to be possibly positive. S&P 500 probably only about 5 days. Nasdaq 5, yeah, it stayed positive 98.89%. Nasdaq tend to go down a lot when the market is bad, but it tend to go up the most when the market is really good. So year to date, yeah, Dow Jones year to date it stayed down, but probably about 4 or 5 days it will be positive. 5 year it stay up. Doesn't matter which stock market look at, but I'm talking about US stock markets. There are stock markets in other parts of the world, they don't return as good as US. So I always look at US, I invest in US stock markets because over the long run, doesn't matter how many dips, how many crash, how many correction that you have, you will still be better off if you hold it for a long term. So what happened last week? Services PMI was down more than expected. Trade deficits more than expected. FOMC the stock market went down a little bit at the beginning. That after that it recovered. But the main thing is that Trump and US and UK deal, market are happy. Actually, you can gain more from the Trump tariff deal than US. It's not really good news for US. But then stock market predicts that there will be more deals coming. You know, tariff, the war situation will be over. So that's why stock market recover went up on the UK and US deal. So if you want to learn more about why UK gain more, you can go and check out my videos, my previous videos on my channel. Jobless claims better than expected. Yeah. So how about last week's stock? Palantir. Palantir it went down 5.14% because it's overvalued. You know, people were afraid that this Palantir is an overvalued company. The result were good, but their Indonesian segments is not as good as the investor expect. AMD is finally up. Probably the first time in 1 or 2 years, the AMD up after the earnings report. Yeah, so maybe more is coming in the next few quarters. Let's wait and see. And that is down. Uber revenue missed expectation. Yeah, so that's why it's a little bit down. Shop, the margin contract. Shopify is like probably Amazon e-commerce Canadian company. Margin contract, so that's why it's down. So which stock probably do I like best? Palantir maybe, but it's overvalued. Palantir AMD it may take some time. Yeah, I like it. I may probably buy it. If it drop further. I think 64 used to be the one. Yeah, see it's going up. It beat S&P 500. Pretty good, pretty interesting. So yeah, so how about this week? This week, core CPI data on Tuesday, so the stock market could be a little bit quiet, depending on the news coming out of Geneva, Switzerland. US, China are holding trade talks. If it's good, market could be up. If it's okay, market could be okay day, not so much activity because of CPI data. Investors and lots of people are worried that hey, this could be very serious. The core CPI, the tariff, does it increase the inflation? Yeah, and Thursday, yeah, stock market could be nervous. PPI data too. So Tuesday and Thursday will be the most volatile day, possibly. Friday, not so much. So just be careful on Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah, that's it. How about let's look at 8 stocks. Stock number 6 says Simon Property Group. Year to date down 5.96%. They're gonna report earnings this coming week. 5 criteria to choosing a great company. Criteria number 1: does it beat S&P 500? 5 years, yes, 270%. It beat S&P 500. Look at S&P, only 97.64%. As long as a company performs better than S&P 500 over the past 5 years, I will give it a chance. I will look at it. Has it been in business for at least 10 years? Let's look at this one. Since 1960, yes, it's been a long time. Has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Look at it. Yeah, it has been a public company for a long time. Look at it. Dropped. Then after it went up. Then after that it dropped again. Hey, this is a great company when there's a disaster. Like COVID happens. Look at this. Financial crisis happens. It always recovers. Seems to recover. Look at it. Bear market happen. It also recover. So yeah, this seems to be a good company. Dividend 5.15%. And criteria number 4: do I like this business? Not really, because it's a real estate investment trust that invests in shopping malls, outlet centers, and community lifestyle center. Shopping mall, with the online shopping prevalent, I think shopping malls may not grow as much as that we would like. So that's why I'm not going to invest in this company, just because I don't like to be in this business. That's it. Number 5, you look at financial statements. Balance sheet, is it good? Income statement, does it have increasing revenue? If it's a great company, you can look at it from the financial statement. Then if you like the business yet, if it meets, find out my criteria, I would just invest in the company. So stock number 5, SE, year to date up 32.71%. 5 year it beat S&P 500. You see it's going back up. It's uptrend. It's uptrend right now. So I think this could possibly go up after the earnings report, right? Because the stock tends to go up. So probably a good time for the call options or maybe advanced options, selling put options. I may not want to own this company yet because I think it's an overvalued company and it's a Singapore company. And he has been around for at least 5 years, at least 10 years for sure. And it has been a public company for at least 5 years. So it meets my criteria. Do I like this business? Yes, but I don't know about this business so much yet. And I'm not so comfortable owning overvalued company, but I may trade in terms of using options. So yeah, that's what I would do. Of course, this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like after doing due diligence. But if you want to learn more, subscribe to this channel. Start investing, option trading, advanced option trading. Stock number 4, JD.com. Stock is a Chinese company. It's an value company, but it just doesn't beat S&P 500. So I'm not going to look at it. It may not go up after the earnings because of tariff. Stock number 3, Baba. Baba is up 47.52%. It's a great company, but it doesn't beat S&P 500, so I'm not interested. And our value, it may most likely go up after the earnings report because it has an uptrend. Okay, the first 1 month uptrend, year to date also uptrend. So yeah, it may possibly go up after the earnings report. Stock number 2, Cisco. Cisco year to date 1.13%. 5 year it doesn't beat S&P 500, so I don't need to look at it. But if you look at Cisco, it's one of the victims of .com crash. Used to be $80 stock, then it dropped to $18. Then after that, it's just very hard to get back to the previous price point. It's a good, it may be a okay company, but not a great company. So I don't invest in companies that doesn't beat S&P 500. Walmart is up 7.47% year to date, and 5 year is beat S&P 500. But will I invest in this company? It has been around for at least 10 years, yes, and up as a public company at least 5 years, yes. I don't really love the business. I'm not really interested to be in this business, so I'm not going to invest. Reason number 5, great balance sheet, great financial statement. So yeah, it just passed 4 of my criteria, but not criteria number 4, that I need to love the business. So there are only 3 types of humans in this world. Humans number 3, they run out of their money before their retirement. During retirement, they don't have money. Type number 2, person number B. Hey, they have so much money, but they only keep walking. They never enjoy their time. They never travel around the world. They never do what they like. They pass away with so much money, with nothing, no experience. Person number 1, person number A, that I love the most. Travel around the world, enjoy a good time, take care of the families, take care of the parents, bring them around the world, eat whatever he likes, drink whatever he likes, enjoy the time. So if you want to become person number A, number 1, this is a very good time. Subscribe, Master Risk Stock Option Trader. Go to playlist, learn about stock investing, call option, put options, advanced option. If you want to get started, the links will be in the description down below, YouTube description down below. And share, subscribe. I will see you.